This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Adobe Photoshop. So I'm right here on the main download, install kind of free trial page for Adobe Photoshop. You can find it at this rather large URL here. All of the URLs that I mentioned in this video will be in the video description as links, so you can just click on those links and wind up here, and you don't need to go searching or finding the right page, as some of these pages are quite hidden. So once you arrive here, you can get a free 7-day trial currently, then there's a 14-day money-back guarantee afterwards. So you would click on this big Start Free Trial button and you'd go through the process here. Now, the issue with this is that you have to commit your credit debit card, and you have to obviously select your payment right here. Now, you might not want to do this. There's another link right here if you just want to immediately download Photoshop on desktop as a desktop app. So there's this link right here that I've got on the screen. Again, that will be in the video description just below this video. So click that, end up here. This is the Photoshop kind of main help page, I guess it is. So if you just want to download it straight away, click on Open Desktop App. And rather mysteriously, that kind of downloads the installer. So you see, I'm on a Mac, you just saw the icon went flying up there. It's a universal symbol on a Mac that something has downloaded. That has downloaded the installer. If it doesn't, you can click Restart Download, as it says right here. Now, based on your downloads location of your browser, you will find the installer. For example, I'm on Google Chrome on this Mac, and it goes to the main downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different to mine. So what that does is that will download the installer, and yeah, so this is like an official page, I should say, on the main Adobe site. This isn't kind of contravening anything or getting anything for free. You'll still have to have an active account at some point, and again, you've got the free trial. If you just want to start the free trial from here, you can commit to payment monthly or annually. There's actually quite a good deal here, 50% off for the first 3 months and a full price for 9 months. That option right there. And again, you've got this 7-day free trial and the 14-day money-back guarantee for this as well. So hopefully you have found this video on how to find and download Adobe Photoshop. I've given you a few different options here on how to actually get it. It's the most efficient way currently. If you found this video useful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.